Hi, this is 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This is a first look at the Dreametech Dreamebot L10 Pro vacuum cleaner, and it's a robot vacuum cleaner. This robot vacuum cleaner has obstacle avoidance systems. It has a 3D camera on the front, which we'll show you during the unboxing, and it also has a LiDar on top. And it has 4,000 PA suction, so that is very powerful for a robot vacuum. Dreametech will even make an app for this robotic vacuum. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum. Also has a mop attachment as well. And the app looks a little something like this. It might look a little different at production time. So you can tell it parts of the home where to clean more often if you need it. It has the LiDAR navigation on top. It also has several buttons as well for power and go back to home for charging. And then on the front here is the 3D navigation cameras, and then we'll show you more tech below. So this is where the large wheels are located, and they're adjustable. And then you have the cleaning brush unit here, and the batteries integrated inside. Then you have the little roll wheel right here, and then the 2 pads for charging. What also comes in the box is a wall charger cable that hooks up to the base unit, so this finds itself back home and then charges on this. And then we have the manual right here, so there's a few pages there, and the brush attachment to get up against the wall, all the way up against it, so there's one that attaches to the bottom. And then this is the mop head attachment, so this attaches to the bottom of the unit. And here are the attachment points right here. So that's nice that it comes with a mop head unit for floors as well. So it does the vacuum cleaning and mopping. And that's it for the Dreametech Dreamebot L10 Pro wireless cleaning robot with LiDAR and 3D scanning technology.